Hey guys, how are you all? It's Abhishek from Decofly. So today I brought this new metal art to you guys. So this is called Mandala metal wall art, and this size is guys 24 by 24 inches, as you can see, and this is made of 100% metal. So if you can hear the noise, it's made of 100% metal, and it's guys a laser cut material, and this comes in a metallic golden finish. So you can see how beautifully this is crafted. This is laser cut, not handmade. This is a laser cut material with very much precision. You can see guys, this is crafted, and also guys, we have used powder coating. As you can see, this is not a spray painted item, this is a powder coated item guys. So like its durability will be approx more than 10 years guys. So you can hang this inside or outside your house, so this won't harm the powder coated applied to this particular material. So generally this regular vendors use spray paint and all, which we don't use. So this will be a little bit costly, but the quality of the product is like a great difference when compared to a spray paint material. So guys, I will tell you some benefits of this. So actually this is also a very good gifting option, as you can see. If you are going to birthday parties or wedding anniversaries and all, and you are bored with the regular gifts and all, this is a very good gifting option guys. As you can see, this is something very beautiful, and I will tell you guys the benefits. You can also Google the benefits. So I have just Googled this, so it's written over here: mandalas, drawing mandalas or hanging mandalas in your living room, it can reduce stress, fostering creativity, and it enhances focus, concentration, and providing an inner sense of peace and balance. So guys, now you know how much beneficial is this to hang in your home. So it will remove all the negativities at your home, and it will be bring peace and prosperity to your house guys. So I will show you how to hang this. Just this is the back side. So we have given the holes, this thing hook over here, and some supporting screws. Everything will be inside the package. You have to just fix a nail at your wall. This screw will be also given inside your package. You have to just drill it and fix it, and this hook is there, right? This hook, you can directly hang it. Only one hook is required, and it is done guys. You can see how easily this got fixed, and remaining these all are supporting screws. You can see this is not fixed. These are just supporting screws. So it can give a shadow effect. If you can see, the distance from the wall to the wall art is around 2 centimeter, so it will give a shadow effect guys. So this particular nail also, you have to keep 2 centimeter outside. That everything will be mentioned in our package, how you have to do all this. So I hope guys you like this video, and definitely try this beautiful product. This is a very unique and very beneficial product. So you can definitely have a try. This is the 100% satisfaction guarantee, 100% made in India, and it's with precision. So I hope you like this video guys. See you soon.